Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for John Deere enthusiasts. The deck belt compatible with John Deere 42-inch Mower Deck Z225 Z235 Easy Track Zero-Turn Mower, specifically model M154294. If you're looking to maintain your lawn with precision and durability, stick around because we've got everything you need to know about this essential replacement part. Let's kick things off with why this deck belt from LESIONGO is considered one of the best options out there for John Deere Z225 and Z235 owners. It's crafted with high-quality materials, featuring a width of half an inch and an impressive length of 119.25 inches. This belt isn't just about dimensions, it's designed to fit snugly and perform reliably, replacing the OEM number M154294 seamlessly. What makes this belt stand out is its compatibility. It's tailored specifically for John Deere Z225 and Z235 Easy Track mowers with 42-inch decks, ensuring a perfect fit that guarantees optimal performance. Whether you're tackling a residential lawn or managing larger spaces, this belt is engineered to handle it all. Now, let's talk durability. The LESIONGO deck belt is built tough, designed to withstand the rigors of regular mowing sessions. It's crafted to endure various weather conditions and intense usage, thanks to its robust construction and the use of reliable materials. This means less downtime and more time enjoying a well-maintained lawn. Worried about installation? Don't be. This belt is user-friendly, offering straightforward installation instructions that make swapping out your old belt a breeze. It's designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, ensuring you spend less time fiddling with parts and more time getting your lawn in tip-top shape. When it comes to performance, this belt doesn't disappoint. It provides the necessary tension and grip to drive the mower's blades efficiently, delivering a clean and precise cut with every pass. Whether you're mulching, bagging, or simply mowing, you'll notice the difference in how effortlessly your John Deere mower handles the job. It's a cost-effective solution compared to OEM parts, without compromising on quality or performance. Plus, with over 200 units sold in the past month alone, it's clear that users trust and rely on this product to keep their mowers running smoothly. To wrap it up, if you own a John Deere Z225 or Z235 and are in need of a reliable replacement deck belt, look no further than the LESIONGO deck belt compatible with John Deere 42-inch mower deck. It's durable, easy to install, and designed to deliver top-notch performance, making it a no-brainer for anyone serious about maintaining their lawn equipment. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Have questions or want to share your experience with this product? Drop us a comment below. Until next time, happy mowing!